Welcome back to my channel mga kaibigan, and for today's video we're going to review this gaming speaker coming from HP, which is DHE-6002. Well, of course, bago tayo magsimula, please don't forget to like and subscribe into this channel for more tech review like this. On my side is a gaming speaker coming from HP, which is the DHE-6002. Yes guys, you heard it right, HP brand. Well, hindi naman lingid sa ating kaalaman na ang HP ay isa sa mga malalaking manufacturing company when it comes to gaming peripherals, components, and etc. Even car accessories guys, meron din sila. Well, ang usapin ngayon is budget. Meron ng HP. Yes, you heard it right mga kaibigan. So, let's stick to this video and let's find out kung gaano ba kaganda ang performance nitong gaming speaker. For only 1,480 pesos guys, na dating around 2,200 sa ibang store, nabili ko itong gaming speaker na to from HP sa Lazada nung nakaraang 99 sales lamang. Well, this is one of their budget gaming peripherals. Well, since budget ang pinag-uusapan, maganda ba ang performance? Well, makikita natin yan as we go deeper in this review. Hatiin ko to sa tatlong discussion again guys, which is the performance, second is aesthetic, and pangatlo yung compatibility niya. Well, makikita natin kung good ba ang price to performance ratio nitong gaming speaker na ito. Well, dumako na tayo sa usapan ng performance guys. This portable gaming speaker from HP comes with dual subwoofer speaker from the right side and the left side, and for the protection itself, meron siyang honeycomb metallic grill na mapapansin nyo na rin sa front panel niya. And at the middle, kung makikita nyo rin, is meron tayong scroll wheel which is the adjustment of the volume, and it also serves as your power button kung gusto mong i-turn on or i-turn off. Basta napakadali lang niya gamitin. Just like pag tinurn right mo, maririnig mo yung click. Pag narinig mo yung sounds na yon, it turns off. And yung RGB, nakikita nyo, wala na. And when you turn it on, same procedure. Naririnig nyo yung click, then all the RGB will light, and you can adjust. Just as that, napakadali niya. Also, by having dual audio channels on board, it can make surround sound yung feeling na very realistic at hindi garalgal or pangit pakinggan yung napoproduce niyang sound. At mamaya guys, magkakaroon tayo ng live sound test for us to judge kung maganda pa talaga yung napoproduce na sounds nitong gaming speaker na ito. Pagdating naman sa usapan ng aesthetic guys, well, this is a soundbar type speaker, and as you can see, maliit lang siya and very limited lang din yung accessories na pwedeng i-incorporate dito sa mismong speaker. Well, nabigyan naman ng justice ni HP yun, and considering na this is a budget type na item, well, maganda pa rin naman yung naging output ng itsura, diba? As you can see mga kaibigan, the cuts and looks of this speaker is really intended for gaming, having a plastic body outside and medyo curved for both left and right side of the body. At kung mapapansin nyo rin mga kaibigan, yung unique body shape niya in the middle, which really defines yung pagiging gaming-oriented design. Well, normally kasi yung mga home theater soundbars are just plain and typically rectangular in shape. And at the same time, very minimalist yung design. What makes gamer a gamer is pagdating na sa usapan ng RGB. Yes, it comes with RGB lights, at makikita naman natin na it occupies yung space between the plastic body and speaker itself, and making the RGB as the outliner to emphasize the beautiness of this item. The RGB light is dynamically changing from time to time guys. Well, mapapansin nyo yan in the long run, and on the other hand naman, wala kasi siyang sync compatibility which your motherboard provides. Well, it still justifies the use of having RGB incorporated in this gaming speaker. Well, yun lang naman din kasi yung purpose ng RGB is to give you aesthetic on the item itself. At ang huli natin pag-uusapan guys ay yung compatibility. The device itself comes with 3.5mm jack for the audio and USB cord para naman sa kanyang power. Take into consideration na rin na yung cables are purely plastic, so you may consider to buy sleeves para din sa additional protection kung madalas na nabibend yung wire, and at the same time mapakinabangan mo siya in a long run. This is also plug and play device guys, so it's really easy to use for your PC, TV, laptops, or even your cell phones. Napakadali lang niyang gamitin. Okay guys, with all that information, let's proceed sa live sound testing.
Not much good happening to Radiant's bottom tower. Blown away!
Put that upper belt.
I'm throwing a flashbang. Terrorist win.
I conducted the test using a sound meter application guys for us to appreciate gaano ba kaingay or kalakas yung kaya niyang i-produce na sound. And I found out that on average, it can produce at least 70 decibels na ingay and the maximum decibels of 78 sa pinakamaingay niya naman na part. To further appreciate yung discussion natin about sa decibels, well, isi-simplify ko na lang. Typical classroom or office room is averaging about 30 to 50 decibels. Above that, well, masyado nang nakaka-irritate sa tenga or nagke-create na ng unnecessary noise, so tumataas yung noise pollution around the area or yung vicinity mo. Well, depende pa rin yan dun sa nature ng company, or baka sometimes lang yan marami lang nagdadaldalan sa opisina, di ba? At para sa ating conclusion guys, well, this DHE-6002 portable gaming speaker by HP really serves its purpose sa pagiging budget-friendly item niya. For just only 1,480 pesos, you can now experience a better sound and strong bass background. And at the same time, utilizing your space, especially katulad nung sa case ko na napakaliit lang yung area, na hindi magkasya yung typical stereotype speaker. Well, it's really unfortunate to say this guys na this kind of speaker does not have any Bluetooth capability, and at the same time, since plug and play siya, wala rin siyang audio visualizer, so sana at least mai-blend mo man lang or mabago mo siya o ma-customize mo yung sounds na pwedeng ma-produce. Well, that's it mga kaibigan. If you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming speaker out there na kailangan mo rin for your daily use, well, you may now consider on buying this portable gaming speaker. Kung interesado ka, I'll just leave the link down in the description. So, just click it and you can add to cart and proceed sa checkout. And of course, kung meron kang friend or colleagues na naghahanap ng same peripherals or equipment, you may also share this on your social media para naman din makita nila. And last but not the least guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more updates and tech reviews like this. Right now, mas mababa ang presyo na to. Last time na chinik ko, around 1,300 na lang siya. So if you buy it now, baka mas mababa pa sa oras na ito. So yes, grab it now and see you on the next one.